Hello everyone, I'm Jake. This video introduces things you need to consider when installing the 3D Pack. The new version of 3D Pack optimizes the installation process. Currently supported environments are listed on the home page. Please note that the required Torch and Torch Vision versions differ from ComfyUI's 2.3.1+cu128, so ComfyUI with 3D Pack needs to be installed separately. We download the latest ComfyUI from the release website, such as version 0.0.1. I have already downloaded it. Please note that I have two ComfyUI directories, the commonly used version for text-to-image and image-to-image, and the other specifically for image-to-mesh. Unzip the package and create the third version as a demonstration. Modify the directory name and adjust the directory structure. Now install the environment for this version. Find the embedded Python executable file, press the Shift key, right-click and copy its file address. Enter CMD mode and enter the command to check the Torch version. The default Torch and Torch Vision versions of ComfyUI are 2.3.1, and 2.3.0 needs to be installed for the 3D Pack. Go to the Torch subpage on the PyTorch website, find the wheel file of the corresponding version, and download it. I chose Torch 2.3.0+cu128 plus Python 3.11 Windows version, and downloaded it in advance. Copy the file address and enter the command to install the file. This will take a while. Okay, it's installed. However, there is a version conflict between torchaudio and Torch Vision, which also needs to be reinstalled. Download the corresponding versions of Torch Vision and torchaudio from the PyTorch page. Install these two files. Next, install ComfyUI Manager. Run ComfyUI. ComfyUI runs normally but prompts you to add the embedded Python to the system path. Restart ComfyUI. ComfyUI is now launched. Install the 3D Pack through the ComfyUI Manager. "3D Pack has been installed." Restart ComfyUI. ComfyUI Manager will automatically run the 3D Pack instructions and install the required environment. Ensure that the network is accessible during the installation. There is an error in the 3D Pack, which prevents it from loading. Try reinstalling the package. This time it worked. The missing nodes in the sample workflow can be installed through ComfyUI Manager. If any problems occur during the installation, please record the error information and go to the 3D Pack issue homepage to query or seek solutions. Thanks for watching.